It is a very surreal experience knowing that I'm working on pieces that will send humans back to the moon. That is a crazy sentence to say out loud. My name is Bailey Burns, and I am currently a vehicle integration systems engineer with Blue Origin, working on our lunar program. And at Mines, I studied mechanical engineering, and I came back and got a degree in space resources as well. When I first came to tour Mines, it was this feeling of coming home, even though I'd never been here. Just being so close to the mountains and having this campus specifically, it just felt so safe, and I had to come here. I remember Fluids 2, and I remember differential equations were two classes where things started clicking, especially Fluids 2. It was like, oh, remember all of those things you learned? This is why you had to learn it. There's an African proverb, if you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. And I think that's very symbolic of space in general, but it's also kind of how Mines worked for me. So I've been supporting the Artemis program in some capacity for the last 3 years now, and the Artemis program is NASA's mission to put humans back on the surface of the moon. It's a really exciting time to be watching this unfold as we go back, and we go back this time to stay. Most of my Artemis experience has been helping with our moon lander and figuring out how humans can be in the lander and survive the surface of the moon. I think the biggest thing I wish people realized about careers in space and engineering in general is that the best way to do it is by bringing your whole self. I feel like a lot of people think you have to leave pieces of yourself and what you're passionate about at the door to fit the mold of what they think these industries need. But when you bring your whole self to it, that's what makes the industry whole. You should be following the path that is the most fun and the most interesting and the most creative. And that path leads to the most interesting life.